Here, do you mind if I join you? Be careful with mind, because we always answer the opposite. If you say yes, it means no. If you say no, it means yes. So do you mind if I join you? Not at all. Help yourself. Or sure, go ahead. Where are you from? Usually when someone asks where you're from, we'd say immediately. So, but here he's just moved. So he says he's originally from Chicago, but now he lives here. If someone asks where am I from, I'd say I'm from England, but I live in Bangkok. If someone said, where do you come from means the last place you were. So say I was on a holiday in Pattaya and someone says, oh, where have you come from? I'd say Bangkok, but I'm originally from England. I work in marketing, mostly social media and branding. So what does that mean?
Branding is for brands like Adidas.
Yeah. So working with the big companies to help get them brand recognition. What is front end design?
I think is the when you enter in a website, the design that
Good,
you have.
Yeah. A short term often used for it is UI, user interface. It's the part of the website that the customer or the client or whoever's using the website sees. The rest of it we call the back end. I've heard it's tough, difficult, hard. It's a little bit challenging. What does challenging mean? When do we use challenging?
When he he requires a little effort to do it.
Yeah, challenging is generally a positive. It means something's difficult, but rewarding. So it's hard work, but hard work in a good way. Baking. What's baking? I love baking.
To do cupcakes, that kind of thing.
So
it's like cook, but
cook where?
past
Fry it, boil it, grill it?
No, in the oven.
Oven, yeah, good. Okay, so baking is when we cook something in the oven.
Oven.
So pies, cakes, bread.
Yeah, the best thing.
What's a macaroni? I thought they had spelled macaroni wrong, but apparently macarons are a thing, yeah?
Yeah.
From French, aren't they? French?
They're from French, yeah.
What are they?
They are like, it's like two cookies. Like, do you know Oreo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's similar. It's not similar, of course, because they are highly expensive. There are two cookies,
Right.
and between the cookies they have some past. It depends of the flavor.
Taste.
Yeah, they are very expensive if you try in a good.
Like what kind of paste? We're talking salmon paste, or
I don't like it because I've tried once, and I think there is no worth it the price. It depends of the. I prefer a good cake.
Okay. All right. Here. get involved in different circles. What does he mean by that? He likes to get
When
involved
you
in different
when you try to keep contact with different groups of friends
Yeah,
to
good.
create a connection and to
Yeah.
create a
Okay, good. Yeah, so different groups, different circles. Okay. It's been really nice chatting.
speaking.
Yeah, talking, chatting, gossiping. That's where the name Twitter comes from as well. Twitter is an English slang word for nonsensical talk. Just like the Twitter. Hence
Okay,
why it's
Twitter.
called Twitter, because it used to be limited to a number of characters, didn't it? Okay, any questions on anything else there?
No questions.